Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to replace the 2013 Nissan Altima brake. Now on the brake is very similar to each other. It doesn't matter who makes it. Front brake very similar, but the only thing that's different is little party brake pin like this. See, like this one you have this kind of keeping return, you know, this to hold it and that to kind of return the brake pad. And also you have this slide pin here. It's the same thing as other car, but some car don't have this. Okay, so simple brake job is you need 19 millimeter in case you have to hold it up here to not get the 14 millimeter bolt down the back here spinning. And so you require to have that. Also, you probably have to have a 14 millimeter socket. Okay. See that spin now? I'm using this to hold it. And down there it's the same thing in the bottom here. Okay. You can do either one first. So I'm going to do the one bottom first. I'm going to take the bottom out first. And flip it up, taking out the old brake shoe, pry it out. Same thing, pry it out. If you have this clip in your package, change this clip. If you don't, that's okay. Nothing wrong with you. Use the old one on this. Okay, take this out. Okay, put the new ones in. You can clean this right here, okay, or you just ignore the dusty and just leave it like that. Press in. Same thing the top one. Okay, make sure slide in. The top one you can't see it. It's a little bit harder to slide into the bottom one. The bottom one is just press in and go in already. Okay. Now it's in, and your brake pad. So the wear out pin is on the top. So you have to just go right here, and this does not go with the slide pin. I'll show you so you know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, this right here go outside, but that go inside. Push like that. Okay, see, if you don't, then this go inside, then you can't push in. So same thing the other side, also go on the top, the same thing. This side you can't really see it, but it have to be play around. Okay, my camera won't see it on this. I'm gonna take this off anyway, because I'm going to lubricate my slide pin. So take this off. It's easy. Lubricate my slide pin first, then I'm going to put this back. Okay, leave it on top. So now my both brake pad is in there. Make sure you take this slide pin out and clean it. So when you have grease on it, you have less chance to get this freeze. Okay, because many times I see vehicle have freezing slide pin because the grease dry out, and when you driving this got hot, and that burning the grease, and the grease were stuck in there, and you can't take out this pin. Normally on dry weather like where I live here, don't have problem, but like when you live up in northeast, then yeah, you have problem on that. So make sure you lubricate your slide pin. So that will save you a lot more money just by this bracket here. They don't sell the bracket, they have to sell you the whole kit with the clapper and everything. So which is, you don't want to spend that kind of money. If you don't have this right here, this tool, you can go renting this one from Auto Part. This one is good, but I have this. I think this is more convenient for me. Just pushing like this. Okay, that's good enough. I think it would be enough. Okay, yep. Slide in right away. And on this right here, you can either hand tight, but if you want to do correct way, you torque this to 20 foot-pound. This bolt is required 20 foot-pound. Okay. Hand tight, you don't really know, so maybe 30 foot-pound, maybe 19 foot-pound, it don't matter, as long as it's tight. You don't using all your force to it like this, that's good enough. Okay, because only 20 foot-pound is not much. Okay, tight. That's good like this. But I'm going to use 20 foot-pound right here. Okay. See that? Just a little bit. See that? Okay. It's not much at all. Already 20 foot-pound. And small boat, so don't break it. Alright, do a brake change on this. It's easy. Okay, you can do it at home, you can do it on the road if you wanted to. If you don't have this, you can use screwdriver to pry right here to closing the clapper by using the screwdriver. Okay, and just open your reservoir, pry right here, and your piston, brake clapper piston should be able to push all the way with this screwdriver. Or you can take them out and use your wise grip like this one here to push the piston. Or renting one of this from AutoZone or O'Reilly, they have this for you to rent. Or like me, bought this cheap, made in China from eBay. Okay, so now you know how to do your brake changing. Okay, thank you for watching. So don't forget to help me subscribe. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye bye now.